It's a beautiful day here at Courtesy Jeep in Mesa with one of our Courtesy Customs 4xe builds. This one is stock number J235592. It is a Willys 4-door Wrangler with a JKS 3.5-inch lift kit. Got your Fox 2.0 Performance Series shocks on all four corners with your heavy-duty coils to kind of compensate for the weight. We've got the JKS quick disconnects to give you all the articulation you could ever want out of your axle. Up here on this side, we've got a Fox Pass-Through 2.0 Performance Series shock and an adjustable heavy-duty track bar in the front to really dial in that front end. Now this Jeep here, we've got the black front grille from the Willys, really nice touch with the white with the LED light package. We've got a Fab 4 stubby front bumper with a Rough Country 9,500 pound winch with the synthetic line in there. Definitely nice for safety. Kinetic energy is definitely the way to go. We've got 35-inch Nitto trail grapplers, personal favorite, wrapped on the fuel bronze 18-inch wheels. Over here on the side, we've got Rough Country's rock slider. Now how this works is it comes out a little bit to act a little bit as a step, but underneath you've got full protection right here. So you can get this up on rocks all day long and no longer have to worry about this. Over here on the back, we've got a spacer to compensate for the 35-inch tire on there. Nice and stable, sleek. Let's open up the back here real quick. You've got your bags for your Freedom panels in there. And what is that? That's right, that is an Alpine subwoofer. This vehicle is equipped with the upgraded Alpine radio system, as well as the hardtop headliner. Got your 12-volt back here in the back. Got your details so you can see all about your water fording and the dimensions of the vehicle. Let's close this. Over here on this side, you've got your charging port for the 4xe. Here on the inside, you've got your drive modes between hybrid, electric, and e-save. Got a beautiful tan interior in there. Love the tan on that. Up on the inside, got the 7-inch screen. Now, even though it has a 7-inch screen, you still keep a lot of the features of the 8.4. You do have the upgraded Alpine sound system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual climate control, heated seats. You also get Wi-Fi connectivity in here, which is a nice touch for that. So you're not sacrificing anything with the 7-inch. You've got your regenerative braking in there. You've got your 4-wheel drive system with part-time as well as full-time. Got your SOS button in here in case anything ever happens. It's one touch and you're good to go. Got your universal garage door opener. Let's go here in the back. And look at that. You even have an armrest in the back with extra cup holders. Look how nice that is. The only thing this Jeep is missing is you in the driver's seat. Come down to Courtesy Jeep in Mesa and ask for stock number J235592. Put this dream in your driveway today.